Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making papaya salad, sum, and with chicken and black pepper. I'm just going to marinate and air fry this. And then with papaya salad, it's always going to be sticky rice. I'm going to make some sticky rice. This already soaked since this afternoon, about 4 or 5 hours already. Let's start. I'm going to steam the rice first. Okay, here's a traditional Laos rice steaming thing. Huatกับหม้อหนึ่ง I'm going to put the rice in here. I'm going to cook a little bit. I'm not going to cook it all. Just enough for 2 people. And that's it. And then put it in here. And cook it about 30 minutes on high. Let the water drain out. Excess water. And then just covered it. I marinated with pepper, salt, garlic powder, a little bit sugar, and a little bit MSG. That's it. Now I'm going to coat it with flour and then throw it in the air fryer. Yeah. I mix with a little bit of flour so make it crispy. Okay, probably go in there for 30 minutes. Pie comes in different sizes and shapes. This is, I would say, kind of small one. They have some really big ones, long, and some round. You always have to have a green one. Sometimes they're ripe inside. And sometimes I'll have some sap, but if it's not too bad, you can wash it. You can really tell, but this one's not too bad. The traditional way, I'll show you guys. Show you. This is the before they had shredders, you know. But the old traditional way. Here's the traditional way of making papaya. You just go around. Depending on your chopping, you're gonna have big and small pieces. See, the shredder is pretty consistent pieces. When you chop, you're gonna have some big and small ones. We'll see my chopping skill. I haven't done this in a while. The traditional, very, very. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just thinly slice it. And you go ahead and just, when it's all gone, just go ahead and repeat the process. I'm gonna make papaya salad. I already shredded. Have a mixture of a shred, the traditional and the handheld shredding machine thing. And my papaya I have right here. It's gonna start out with peppers. I have Thai chili pepper, and sometimes they're hot, sometimes they're not. It depends. But I'm gonna use like 5 of them. A small clove of garlic. I'm gonna smash it and see it. And this is a mortar. I forgot to explain. The mortar, the Laos tradition or Thai, it's like an herb and spice, but this is to mix stuff, you know. Especially papaya. This comes in many sizes. They have big one, small one. I think this would be considered a medium mortar. Okay, the pepper shredded. The pepper's already smashed in there. You know, some people do papaya different. Some people start with all the ingredients at the bottom and whatever. I like to put the papaya in and then put all the ingredients on top of it. Cut some tomatoes. You can have big tomatoes, small. I think the best tomato are the smaller one or sour. And papaya tradition is going to be like sweet, sour, spicy. And today I'm going to make a Laos style. Everybody had their own version or how they make it. Okay. Add some lime. Depends how sour you like it, a couple of slices, you know. You can always taste it later. And then I have fish sauce. Just probably a spoon or a tablespoon, I don't know. Just kind of eyeballing it. Anchovy. Up there. Just a little bit. And then this is your shrimp paste you want to add. Some people don't, but you mostly need fish sauce and anchovy for Laos. And I have a shrimp paste. Kapit. Add a little bit. And then I add a spoon of sugar, a little bit of MSG. And then I like crab paste, these frozen crab paste. It's kind of the sweet one, not the salty brand. The pictures like this. And then some people add tamarind if it's not sour, or if you don't have lime, you can use that. I add a little bit, but no, we'll see how sour it is. And I'm gonna mash it together. Here's what it's kind of look like. A little bit more. It's good enough. Maybe a little fish sauce. That's just good. It's really light. Just hold it up and dump it out. And this you can eat with, put some lettuce, some cabbage, or the best part is pork skin. It's really good with it. But I like a lot of veggies. I like to put cabbage and pork skin in mine. It's done. Move it out. I'm gonna wrap it. Okay. And then the rice. Here are the traditional Laos tip khao. You put it in. They come in many sizes. It's a variety. Yeah. So I'm just going to use this one. I like to bag mine so then it doesn't get sticky all in here. And then for a group of people, you know, People don't want to touch your rice and stuff because we usually eat all together, dig with hands and stuff. So, with your own family, you have parties and other people coming over, you know. Just make a small bag and roll it. Longer first. Here's my my sticky rice. I wrapped it, pre-wrapped it, put it in here individually. My air fried chicken. Here's my papaya salad. I don't have any pork rinds. I have cabbage and lettuce on the side. You can have any other veggies you want. It's pretty